The Perseverance Mars rover has successfully captured its first rock sample, much to the relief of the scientists at NASA. Last month, the rover came up empty-handed when it drilled into a rock that crumbled before it could be placed inside a specimen tube. This time, the fragments of rock were clearly visible after collection. But there was a scary moment for the mission scientists. After shaking the tube to remove any loose material, it appeared to be empty again. Fortunately, it was just bad lighting, and additional images later showed the rock safely settled at the bottom of the tube. Sample tube serial number 266 was capped and stored aboard the rover. The core sample is a bit thicker than a pencil. It was extracted by the rover's drill from a flat, briefcase-sized Mars rock, nicknamed Rocher. With over 3,000 parts, NASA described the sampling and caching system as the most complex mechanism ever sent into space. Perseverance carries a total of 43 sample tubes in its belly. Eventually, the tubes will be left on the Martian surface to be picked up by another rover. They will then be loaded aboard a small rocket and fired into Mars's orbit, where a waiting spacecraft will return the samples to Earth. This ambitious venture, which could happen by the end of the decade, is a joint project between NASA and the European Space Agency. Its first sample in the bag, Perseverance will continue its exploration of the rocky outcrops and boulders of the ridgeline in Jezero Crater. Find out more about Perseverance and other missions to Mars inside the September issue of Astronomy Now.